Alright, recently Mars Hydro was kind enough to send me another product to try out. We're super excited today because we have the Mars Hydro VG80 LED grow light. We're going to unbox it and we're going to see what's inside, so let's dive in. Alright, first things first, we have the manual, always handy to have for setting up and understanding your new gear. Here's your spectrum test report, that's the dimensions, specifications, everything that's included, installation, and that's it. Of course we got the hanging kit here, complete with adjustable ropes for easy installation at different heights. And let's not forget the power cord to keep this baby running smoothly. Alright, here it is. Let's take this baby out nice and easy. It was really packaged well. There we go. Here it is, the VG80. It's a lot lighter than I expected it to be. But don't let the weight fool you, this thing is packed with power. It's a very versatile light. You can use it for your clones, for vegetables, in a greenhouse, and you can even use it for supplemental lighting on the top, on the sides, and on the bottoms. It has high efficiency with low energy consumption. It also has an IP65 rated water resistance, which means it's waterproof. This light is equipped with high quality diodes that provide spectrum lighting for your plants, mimicking natural sunlight. Look at the nice sleek design. Perfect for any grow setup. They're actually a lot longer than what I thought they were going to be. I only thought they were going to be like maybe half of what they are. And that's everything that comes in the box. We've got the Mars Hydro VG80 LED grow light. We've got the user manual. We've got the hanging kits. We've got the power cords. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to set it up. Alright, so I had decided to put the VG80 in the 4x4, mainly because it wouldn't fit in the 2x2. But it's not really sitting well in here. It's not fitting the best. So it's not really fitting well with the light that's already in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the big tent with the clones. And why not? The clones need all the help they can get right now. I want them to go, go, go. So what I'll do is I'll put it over in the big tent and we'll get that set up. wasn't too hard. Now I'll have some supplemental lighting for my plants in this tent. One of the standout features of the VG80 is its full spectrum lighting. From seedling to harvest, the light provides a perfect balance of wavelengths including UV and IR to support healthy and vigorous plant growth. With a power output of 160 millijoules at 18 inches above the canopy, you can expect consistent and reliable performance throughout your grow cycle. You'll save energy on cost without sacrificing performance. It comes with a combined 432 diodes, It has a coverage of 2x2 for flower and a coverage of 3x3 for veg. So now what I'll do is I'll move the clones over onto this side of the tent. We'll use this light on this side and we'll have the supplemental lighting to go with it now. And yeah, we'll see how the clones take it. So hopefully they like it. So there you have it, folks. The Mars Hydro VG LED grow light, packed with features to take your indoor grow to the next level. If you're ready to experience superior plant growth and yields, look no further than the VG80. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing of the Mars Hydro VG80 LED grow light. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, peace.